Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how to enable dark mode in Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook account. Then on top right corner you can see three lines. Open it and you can see setting and privacy option at the bottom. So open your setting and privacy option and then you can see a lot of options. So at second last you can see dark mode option. So simply open it and here you can see two modes. Now dark mode is off, so you can simply turn on the dark mode. So click on button and your dark mode is on. So in this way you can open your dark mode. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.